Hi, good day everyone. I am Karen Artisano. What we have today is a computer system unit, and what I am going to do is to disassemble and assemble it step by step. Disassembling and assembling computers takes a big role as a computer technology students. As what we learned when working with computer components, we need to work in a logical, methodical manner. In this assembly, remember, when we're removing any computer parts and components, we must remember the name of the parts, the location, and the quantity. Before touching our system unit, we must prepare ourselves, our workplace, and a set of tools. First, remove your watch or any other jewelry and secure loose clothing. Second, we have to make sure that there should be good enough lights, good ventilation, and a comfortable room temperature. Third, our table should be accessible from all sides. Do not cover the entire surface of the table with tools and computer components. Arrange them properly. Fourth, put an anti-static mat and wear anti-static rest strap to prevent physical contact and to avoid electrostatic discharge or ESD that can damage our components. And lastly, prepare a small containers to hold screws and other small parts that we remove. Step 1. Opening the case. Computer cases have different form factors. Form factors refers to the size and shape of the case. There are different methods in opening the case. It's either case cover can be removed as one piece. Case top and side panels can be removed, or the top of the case is need to remove before the side panels can be removed. In case of our computer system unit, we need first to unscrew the screw of side panel in order to open our system unit and then remove the front panel case. Step 2. Disconnect all internal cables. When disconnecting internal cables, we need to make sure that we do it in a right way and remember its location. Visualize all the connected cables and start from the upper side of the motherboard, including the cables connected in hard disk drive and power supply power connectors. Step 3. Remove the hard disk holder. In order to disconnect the 20-pin power connector located at the left side of the hard disk holder, first unscrew the screw of the hard disk holder and remove it, including the hard disk drive, to its holder. Step 4. Remove the power supply unit. Our power supply unit is mounted in upper side of our computer case. First, unscrew and remove the power supply lock. Second, unscrew the power supply screws which is located in rear panel of our computer case, then remove the power supply unit. Step 5. Remove the LAN card. Unscrew the screw located in the PCI option slot of the case. Then remove the LAN card which is located in PCI slot of the motherboard. Step 6. Remove the random access memory sticks or RAM sticks. In removing the RAM sticks, which is located in the RAM slot of the motherboard, just simply push both sides of the ejectors and remove the memory sticks. Step 7. Remove the air cooling system. Unscrew the screw which is located in the motherboard. Step 8. Remove the central processing unit or CPU. In order to remove the CPU located in CPU socket, just remove the latch holding the processor and left the processor straight out of the socket. Step 9. Remove the motherboard. When removing the motherboard from the computer case, just unscrew all screws that attach from the motherboard to the case and remove it. Make sure to properly hold and put it in a proper place. And that's all. We are done in disassembling a computer system unit. And now what I am going to do is to assemble the computer system unit. In our assembly, we must start from the last step during the disassemble of the system unit. Step 1. Attach the motherboard to the computer case. Just attach all screws of the motherboard to the case and make sure that it is properly seated. Step 2. Insert the CPU to the CPU socket. Step 3. Put the air cooling system to the CPU socket and attach the screws. Step 4. Attach the RAM sticks to the RAM slots. Step 5. Insert the LAN card to the PCI slot of the motherboard and put back the screw of the PCI option slot of the case. Step 6. Attach the power supply unit to the case. Put back the screws in rear panel and the power supply lock and its screws, then insert the 20-pin power connector. Step 7. Attach the hard disk drive to the hard disk holder and put back the screws. Then attach the hard disk holder to the front panel case and put back the screws. Step 8. Reconnect power supply power connectors, hard disk drive cables, front panel connectors, USB connector, and CPU fan connector. Step 9. Attach the front panel case cover and the side cover, then put back the screw. And that is how we disassemble and assemble a computer system unit.